Solid Edge provides its users with strong diagramming capabilities. Here in this example, we see a diagram for a motorcycle which contains some blocks for electrical components such as brake taillight, speedo and horn for example, as well as some conductors. The library pane in Solid Edge allows us to view the blocks contained in the design and easily locate with cross-highlighting. If we wish to add additional blocks to our diagram, we can either browse to a different draft file or access the libraries that come with Solid Edge, which include a multitude of electrical, mechanical and piping components. To finish the diagram, we need to place a few additional components and conductors. Selecting the Signal R block from the library, we can quickly drag and drop onto the diagram, snapping to the grid position and rotating as required. Joining components together is simple with the connector command, providing many different options to route the conductors, as well as controlling the start and end connection symbols, line color and thickness. Any repositioning of the conductors is easily achieved. Adding a further conductor, we can see that it's going across an existing one, not a problem. We can use the jump profile, allowing us to cater for this and run the route as desired. A relationship can be formed between the jump and the conductor it passes over, so they move together under repositioning. Callouts can be easily added onto the diagram. Here we want to label up the colour of the yellow conductor. During placement we can drop the callout onto the wires. By doing this, if the conductor is moved, then the callout will move with it. We need an additional ground for the red signal. As we already have ground blocks on the diagram, we can quickly create a copy by selecting the block, holding Control and then dragging a new instance to the desired location. We'll add a conductor using the corner shape to make the connection. To finish the diagram, we need one final component. However, this block exists in an AutoCAD DWG file, but that's not a problem. We can select the DWG file from the library, pick the required points block and simply drag into position on the diagram, converting it to a Solid Edge entity on the fly. Finally, we're just left to connect the block up to the coil. So as we can see, Solid Edge provides easy to use, flexible and powerful tools for diagramming which can aid in the creation of wiring and P&ID diagrams.